Are you studying or working from home? Following tips in this video will greatly help you save some time and overall improve your efficiency. I'm currently studying from home and I'm using these tips daily to save some time and simplify some usual tasks. Let's go with the first one. In these unfortunate times, most of us have to probably daily use Google Meet. If you do, you know how tedious logging in, choosing your account, turning off your microphone and camera, and then entering the call can be. No more. One simple extension can do all of these for you and save you those precious seconds. With this Chrome extension, you can set which account you mainly use for Google Meet, and it will automatically log in with that account, turn off the camera and microphone, and enter the call for you. A link for this extension will be in the description. Let's go with the second tip. A program that I cannot live anymore without is DeskPins. It allows you to pin any window to always be on top of other windows. For example, this can be very useful for taking notes during lectures, copying texts, watching references, and many other cases. The program is very simple and easy to install. You can use Ctrl F12 shortcut to pin existing top window. The link to an official website will be also in the description down below. Speaking of shortcuts, here is a third and final tip for today. After copying and pasting shortcut, the third shortcut that I use the most and which accelerates my workflow massively is Alt-Tab shortcut. It is a simple shortcut that allows you to quickly switch between all of your open windows. This is especially useful when your task requires multiple programs. Many people use this shortcut, but if you have never used it before, you'll be thankful for this tip. Thank you for watching, and if any of these tips were useful for you, consider subscribing to the Royal Courses channel. Have a nice day and goodbye.